anyways, yeah, I told you all that I'd go live after college. And I am. That's so weird and stupid, lol, isn't it? I'm so annoyed because I bought them, right, and they were like supposed to be the Trigwell ones. I don't know if you lot have seen. Basically supposed to, the Trigwell powder puffs and Huda Beauty powder is supposed to be like the best combination. And so I was thinking, oh, I'll buy the powder puffs first before I get enough money to buy the powders. Yeah. So I bought the powder puffs and they took so long to come, and this is what came. Like, just refund me. Don't even bother sending anything. Why'd you get banned? I've got banned twice now. I need to change my bio actually, because basically I got banned the first time because apparently I was bullying people. The second time I got banned because I think it's because I was vegan, but they appealed it, so it's alright. I got banned last night, but they've unbanned me. So I'm gonna change it. No, I don't even want these socks though. They're not even nice socks. They could have sent me like some cute pair, but no. Is this about £13? I don't think so. What are you going to change it to? Oh, I just need to change it that it says that I'm banned in my bio because I'm unbanned. Hello, mate. Okay, so I have my first day at college today. Oh, that's weird that I start on a Wednesday, but I just... Where have you seen me before? No, but I'm doing level 2. I need a makeup. See you in the Olympics. Of course. Get a tattoo, lol. I really want to. Are you gonna go to university? No. I don't want to. Do you ride to school? What, like? On a bike? I get the bus or my mum drives me. It looks a few hundred kilograms. What's a few hundred kilograms? One of the elves in Lord of the Rings. Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? I've never had Dunkin' Donuts. I don't really like Starbucks. If someone says McDonald's can reply to, but I don't remember why. Oh, it was about getting a tattoo. I'm so excited to get a tattoo. I'm gonna find someone who tattoo people under 18, and I'm gonna get it done. I just need to figure out what I want. I want to get matching tattoos with my mum. So bad. Do you like jelly-filled donuts? No. I don't like jam donuts or anything like that. I just like cookies and cream is so good. I'm not famous, mate. Anyways. I know, I literally want to get tattoos so bad. I'm so excited. Just let me hold saying something was a few pounds. It wasn't that heavy. No, it was no, I meant it was £13. Like, that's how much money it was. Her eyes were brown, like beautiful brown pools of brown water. Wow, that was so lovely of you. Now I'm scared to get a tongue piercing. Why would I do that for 50p? That's not worth it. No, I'm gonna get it done before my 18th birthday. Cause yeah, I can. Morning. And my teeth are really not that straight. They're moving at the bottom. This ain't it. 1800s. What? I'm trying to read these. Morning. You know, it's not morning for me. Oh, finally we have a moderator on here. Thank you. Have a check. I'm in leggings and a top because I just came back from college. Shut up, mate. I'm not doing that for 50p. Pounds of what? Pennies or quarters? No, just like a British pound, you know? My amazing power pass. I'm actually annoyed. I'm so excited, yeah. I've got my little notification saying, oh, your power pass set's here. Come open it, and I'm like, what? What are you studying? I'm studying hair and media makeup. So we're doing like Halloween looks, we're doing Christmas looks and stuff. Why do you have a monarchy? I don't know, it's not my choice. I don't know really. I don't know much about it. I'm not going to lie. Where is your cats? My cats are sleeping right now. That's awesome studying, isn't it? I'm so excited. And I got my timetable. I go in 4 days a week. I don't go in on a Friday, which is amazing. It's also good because my mum doesn't work on a Friday. She works 4 days a week as well now. Why does everyone say that my accent is Everyone says that I'm posh, but I really don't think. I want to get another piece in people's hurt. No, it didn't hurt. It just like it just like makes your eyes tear up, and then it makes your eyes tear up, and then it just kind of sensitive. You know when you sneeze, yeah, and you get like that like tickling.